Hello, I'm Holly Flink. So this is my level. We'll just start it. We'll just from inside the cage. Alright. Great, you're in. Proceed with the course. I did like a prison as like they snap the secret agent in. You gotta like get to this part of the place to get to a different part, but I really did the first major part. I really want to come back to this level because there's a lot more that I can do with it, especially for AI, for the AI assignment. Okay, so you need the bomb. We left to get to the warden's office. We're gonna blow the door up and get the keys to open the bigger gate. So, as you can see here, in my sky cam, there's the key. It's right there. Shoot at it. There. The warden's office is there. We're here right now. The walls are bouncing all over the place. And that's the gate we're going to get to at the top. And that gate at the top opens with the gate node blueprints, but we have to get those three keys to open it that are in there. So, the other thing is for later purposes, you can use this to like look around and they won't. I suck at this. It's so but you can like use it to look around the level, you know. For the AI level, I kind of want to use this one because it will work in the sense of like trying AI and stuff. So, oops, that wasn't what I meant to do. Alright, anyways, you can use that. One goes to it, and two switches you back. I made a new control, like a player controller, but I can't find it. So I'm just deciding. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like in a minute. So we're gonna go to the key. I already know where it is, of course, but I had someone else play this with me, and she was lost for about 10 minutes. It was super funny. I didn't think it was that mazy. I didn't make it too mazy. I didn't want to make it too big. It's just like everything looks the same. Everything's kind of big. So all of the lines are off, but I kind of just was like, it's fine. You get the idea. So go this way. There's the gate, but we don't know how to open it. We don't know what it is we need to open it. So we have the bomb. That thing that I just picked up was the bomb. So we're going to go all the way to the warden's office, which is over here. Okay, and we're just going to blow up the door, and there we go. So Q opens it, X closes it, and Y to enter, which will make more sense once I show you the node. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but the closing part of the node doesn't work. And it might be because I made an actual gate with the node instead of what it's usually used for. So Q opens it, you press Y to enter, and it opens. And you would go, that would be the place in which they want you to get to the next part of the prison or whatever. So let's get up here. That's where the sky cam is. So this sky cam up here looks down on the entire place so that you could see where to go. When I add like AI, you'll be able to see where the AI goes so that you can avoid them and whatnot. Like right here in general, an AI could walk this way and then turn around. So with the sky cam and with like the little car, you could wait till he's over here to like run over here and then hide in here and then let him pass and then go towards the key kind of thing. But that's when we get the AI. So let's go over this. The inventory interface and all that stuff that I did in a previous level as well. It just works, and I like the way it works too. That's the inventory for the first player, and then the door. The only complaint I have with the door is that I shouldn't have done the actual door front that the starter content and stuff gives you, because it's see-through, as you saw. So you wouldn't even need the bomb if you knew about that, but so, you know, checks inventory, destroys the door. This is one of the texts. This is the grate you're in, inside the prison cell over here. And then this is the one that explains everything. And then this is the one that gets you actually into the thing. So this right here is the gate node for the entire gate. So what it does is that when you press Y, nothing will happen until you press Q, and then you press enter, and it'll play this matinee actor. The problem is that X, I don't know how to close it. I had created another matinee actor, which is matinee actor, just moves the door open, that does the opposite of what this one does, but it's not wired to do that on X. So I understand what the gate node's for. I watched a ton of videos to really understand what it's for, but I thought it would just be better if the gate actually opened a gate, so it's kind of cool. This is the door. These are the bars, actually. So you press C for cut, and it destroys the bars. And those are the pillars that destroy it, because I'd have to pull out another destroy actor and add all the pillars if I wanted to. So it's just like, I mean, in a real prison, you wouldn't spend all day filing all the doors. Now this, which I don't know if you saw, the thing is about this, what I did with the timeline, is that I understand what it's for. Timeline basically, you know, kind of slows stuff down, does some stuff in that nature. I'll be able to explain it more when I'm looking at it, but what I had to do is that I saw a video that it does the light flicker. So it would have been a lot easier to use this than the last level that we did. So I just slightly did it. See, there we go. Yeah, it is doing it. So this light changes colors. It does that, then it's really weird. I couldn't get it to do exactly what I wanted it to do. But I think it worked out. So basically, the vent starts, and so the light will start flickering. I actually have the light flicker open. And in the video I saw, when you added a float chart, it had a red line that would move and stuff, but this one didn't. It was just this, but I mean, it works. So these nodes actually, they flicker slowly, and I guess I didn't really fully understand what that would do, the float. So it should have gone straight down and straight up, then the flicker would actually be flickering instead of just like looks like it goes like in and out, and then because it's on loop, it gets to the end, and then it's like flash of bright light again. So, but yeah, so it timeline plays, multiplies. This is what I didn't understand in the video, is that so he was using a spotlight and I was using a point light, but the spotlight that he had, which I can just show you, where's the point light? See this? It only goes to 160, right? But the spotlight that he kept putting in, and even when I put in the spotlight, it only went to 160, but the spotlight he went into went up to 5,000. So he had his multiplied by 1,000, because in here it only does it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you would multiply those each by 1,000, and then it would do the light flickering right for the spotlight. But I guess in this version of Unreal, it only goes up to 160. So I just went, well, I guess if you multiply each of them by 12, it'll get up to a certain intensity where it would be almost close to being 160 kind of thing. So then it would set intensity and then change the point light of that. As for the Oh, the possession, which I found to be really cute. I like the idea. I saw a video where someone did the possession of like this small little vehicle. Unfortunately, the vehicle does not control very well. Unreal does not have vehicles down, I guess, because that vehicle does not control very well. This is what it generally looks like. It's kind of grainy, but so you would press 1, it would get that actor class, and then it would possess it. It would get and possess, and then you press 2, and it would do the opposite of that. So basically, when I press 1, I'll go to him to go back. I made that, and I made the control for it, and I did all that stuff for it. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it to pull up. I don't know where it is. I know it's in content somewhere. I know it's in here somewhere. I just don't remember what I called it, because it's been a while since I put it in. So I went, ah, crap, and I didn't know what it was called, so I just went, I'll just find the video and take a picture and explain it. Because I don't know what happened to it. But that's about it. I will come back to this level because I really like the idea of adding AIs that like move, and this part is perfect, like moves back and forth, because you have to go this way in order to get the key, and you have to go this way in order to go this way. And here too, you could put a long one, like a long AI that starts over here, and then he goes this way. But by the time you get here, he would be here. So you have to sneak into here, and then he comes back, and then you have to sneak down into here. And you could kind of have it be the same way here, and then you would have to pull into here, and then he would go back, and you would go, and then you could go in. And you can even have one go here. Like an AI that goes back and forth here. I'll probably turn my cursor on this so you can see, because it kind of blends in. But I liked that. I liked the way this sky cam worked too, which was just in here. Yeah. So, and you would change the feed and stuff. This is the material, just what it looked like. Didn't really matter. This was the cool thing that I made that gets it to feed up onto this like wall-like thing. I didn't really know how I wanted to do the entire level, like prison break-ish wise. I just thought, like, think about it like you're a secret agent or something. They send you in and you gotta, break out, and they give you all these abilities so that you can bypass through all the stuff to get the keys for the gate. But yeah, that's my level. It was pretty fun. I thought about adding a particle system, like a sandstorm or something, but I just thought that for now, I thought maybe I'll add it with the AIs, make it really difficult to see the AIs or something like that. But I just liked the ability to, like, I could add to this with, like, the AIs and stuff. And it's small and sort of prison-esque. Like, I noticed that I do a lot of maze-esque things and a lot of, like, puzzle-esque things, and I'm not really big on, like, shooters or even using the vehicles and stuff because I'm not really great at Unreal. So, but this was my level and it was fun, so. That's all that I have